Hi, my name is Rory Daly, and welcome to Daily Travels. Okay, now let's look at some of the stuff I picked up in Japan. I'll start with the books and magazines. One of my main goals was to expand my HyperRev magazine collection, MOOCs as they're called. In typical Japanese fashion, this is a combination contraction of the words magazine and book. I love HyperRev as they basically are tomes of the performance parts available for specific vehicles. Now that there's been a big rise in the interest of Japanese performance cars, they've started to re-release the older out-of-print editions. Be aware that these reprints are smaller than the current and original editions. I purchased them from Sataya Books in Shibuya and A-Pit's Autobox Shinonome, which also has a Sataya bookstore inside.